There are lots of oven dyeing, neat dyeing, yarn dyeing and finishing factories in Bangladesh. All of those have great importance in our ready-made garments export business. Welcome to Textile TV. In this video, I have listed 14 top dyeing factories in Bangladesh, which is synchronized according to their alphabet. You can submit your desired factory name in comments. Thus, we can include your factory name in our next part. Top dyeing factories in Bangladesh. Abdullah Dyeing Industries Limited. Director Engineer Mohammad Sirajul Islam. Factory location Narsindi. Adib Dyeing Mills Limited. Director Majidul Islam Sisti. Factory location Sripur Ghazipur. Amber Yarn Dyeing Limited. Director Shaukat Aziz Russell. Factory location Bangla Bazar, Bawal, Mirzapur, Ghazipur. Convince Dyeing Industries Limited. Director Rafez Alam Chowdhury. Factory location Kashimpur, Jaidepur, Ghazipur. Empire Dyeing Limited. Director MD Kaisar Ahmed. Factory location Narayanganj. Labib Dyeing Mills Limited. Director Salahuddin Alamgir. Factory location Ghazipur. M.A. Rahman Dyeing Industries Limited. Director M.D. Mohsin. Factory location Jalalabad, Bayezid, Chittagong. Microfiber Limited. Director M.D. Shamsuzzaman. Factory location Kutubpur, Fatullah, Narayanganj. Mandal Yarn Dyeing Limited. Director Haji Abdul Majid Mandal. Factory location Nayapara, Kashimpur, Ghazipur. Multifabs Limited. Director Mohiuddin Faruqi. Factory location Nayapara, Kashimpur, Ghazipur. Paramount Textile Limited. Director Shakaut Hussain. Factory location Gilar Sala, Sripur, Ghazipur. Shower Dyeing and Finishing Industries Limited. Director Sunha Park. Factory location DEPZ, Asholia, Shower, Dhaka. Sinha Dyeing and Finishing Limited. Director Anisur Rahman Sinha. Factory location Kaspur, Narayanganj. South China Bleaching and Dyeing Factory Limited. Director Mr. Kelvin Engan. Factory location DEPZ, Shower, Dhaka.